If you've Hackintoshed a ThinkPad or similar laptop, you've likely noticed a persistent icon in your menu bar that looks like a PCI card. This is typically caused by PCI bus enumeration, essentially macOS identifying certain internal ports as removable or external. While it's technically accurate, it's mostly just clutter taking up valuable menu bar space without providing any real utility. Today, I'm going to show you how to hide that icon for a cleaner setup. First, we need the specific kernel patch to fix this. I've linked Dortania's OCLP configuration in the description box below. Follow the link and locate the Download Raw File button. Save this config.plist to your desktop so it's easy to find. We aren't going to use this whole file, we're just going to borrow a specific patch from it. We'll be using opencore auxiliary tools, or OCAT, for this process. First, open the config.plist you just downloaded from Dortania in OCAT. Now open a second OCAT window. In this window, mount your system's EFI partition, enter your password, and open your actual working config.plist. Now let's move the fix over. In the other window, head to the Kernel section and click on the Patch tab. Look for the line labeled Fix PCI Bus Enumeration, Sonoma. Don't worry about the Sonoma tag, it works perfectly for newer versions like Tahoe as well. Right-click that specific line and select Copy Line. You can now close the window. On our configuration window, navigate to Kernel section under the Patch tab, right-click an empty space and select Paste Line. The crucial step is to make sure the Enabled checkbox for this new row is checked. Hit the Save icon to apply the changes to your EFI. Now simply reboot your Hackintosh. As we boot back into macOS Tahoe 26.4.1 on this Lenovo ThinkPad T480, you'll notice the menu bar is now clean. The PCI icon is completely gone. Everything looks much more native now. And that's it, a quick and easy fix to keep your Hackintosh looking polished. If this video helped you clean up your desktop, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more ThinkPad-specific Hackintosh tips and tricks. If you have any questions or ran into a snag, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.